this view though. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is what we like to see. This is what we like to see. Oh, 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 oh. And of course there's cars in front of us, so we're not going to be able to. We're not going to be able to zoom, unfortunately, until right now. Let's go down, Mr. Lucky Moto. See now, it looks a little bit different. Looking a little bit different right now because we are not in Spokane. We are so far away from Spokane. I don't even remember what Spokane looks like. I'm just kidding. We're just in Coeur d'Alene. But still, we are far away from Spokane. We're only like 25 miles, but still. Anyways, we're gonna be going to Harrison, Idaho. Just go nice little touristy town. We're gonna be staying there. It's 4th of July weekend or weekday. I don't, because it's on a Thursday. Anyways, today's the 3rd right now. Looking at my imaginary watch. But today's the 3rd, and we want to go and watch some fireworks because there's a really good fireworks show that goes on in Harrison, and we want to go check it out. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna stay a little bit, and I just had to take the bike because why not? Anyways, it's gonna be pretty boring for the next little bit, up until the Twisties actually start. But once the Twisties start, this is gonna be very fun to watch. This is gonna be a very fun ride. Yeah, you guys ready to get to see one of the coolest views of your lifetime? It's just up here over the bridge. If you guys watch Shake and Blake on YouTube, you might recognize this. He's posted this in at least one of his videos. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Here's the bridge. Someday I just want to pop a wheelie over this bridge. Like, but look at this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Muy bien. So we're gonna be riding along that in a little bit, like an old highway, or whatever it is. All right, let the fun begin. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just look at this lake. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Might do a little bit of color grading in this video just so that I can make the sun more present, if it's not already. Make the sun more present and just more beautiful in general. But oh, it's so good. Look how beautiful it is. fun. I love this. I've been so focused on this. Dude, I love just... I can't wait to go back and look at this footage and just see how cool this is. Dude, oh, it's so pretty. I love this. So sick. I love this. I love this part of the drive so much. And now we get out to where there is, I don't know if it's going to be technical twisties or not. I don't remember honestly if it's technical twisties or if it's just kind of twisty. So glad I haven't tinted visor right now. Because dude, this would suck if I didn't have a tinted visor because of all the changes. This, honestly, when it comes to like the sun, this is kind of perfect. Like this lighting is perfect for this visor. Look at this, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Dude, I need to ride this more, just for fun. It's not even a far ride. You can ride to Coeur d'Alene, take like a 10-minute break, then go ride this. It'll literally take me like an hour to, like 45 minutes to get there. It takes me 45 minutes to get there. And then like another 45 back. It's not, I could go and ride this in a day. So much faster through these. I'm too tight while riding through this corner. Loosen up a little bit. Holding on to the handlebars too tight. I really need to get better about it. I'm getting a lot better at the twisties though. I will say that. Just in general, I'm like, holy shit, dude. I have improved so much since when I first started riding twisties. But since I started riding twisties, I don't even know what my first video of me like actually like riding twisties is. It's like a night and day difference. How I am now versus how I was back then. Like I think you can even see that in this video. Like I mean, we're just riding really hard. Itchy nosing it. Woo! With all the cool ships. So nice out here. I don't know what to speak. I can't even speak anymore. My brain is numb from how nice these roads are. My gosh! Like, I mean, there's just twisty roads for literal miles. And you feel like you're on a racetrack, but you're not. This is a nice way to go out and get the bike leaned over a little bit. Water on both sides. Holy crap. Oh wait, are we here already? There's no way that we're here already. There's no way that we're here already. Must there be like 5 cops behind me just being like, that can't be. There's no way that we're already here. It does not feel like, it didn't even feel like it took that long. Yeah, we're here already. Holy shit. Dude. Holy crap. You get to places fast on a motorcycle. Damn. Holy crap, dude. Yep, we are in Harrison. Holy crap. Look at this view, though. This view. Oh my gosh. Dude, like, look at this. Oh, it's such a little beautiful town. I want to park and get some photos of the bike. Ah, dude, it did not take that long to get here.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, here, hop off. I want to get some photos of the bike.
How long does it take from Post Falls to get here?
Supposedly 45 minutes.
That's what I thought.
Huh?
That's what I thought.
This.
Have you been recording?
Huh?
Oh, you have been recording.
Yeah. All right, ready? Ready to skedaddle?
No, it's so pretty.
We'll come back. We'll come back. Baby, listen, trust me. We're gonna come back here, like a lot.
Okay.
We're gonna come back here a lot. No, it's not this. Okay, I was that does not look like the road. Alright, here we go. Now, here's some more fun twisties. Oh gosh, I'm coming to a little hot. And it's gravelly. Oh shit. Forgot that it could be a little bit gravelly and dusty here. Oh, look at this lean angle. Oh, I don't want to go anymore because it's dusty. The road's dusty. I don't want to risk anything. Oh, oh boy. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike, turn on the notification bell, subscribe. We're getting really close to 500 subscribers, and we're getting close to 1 year. This is next Sunday, the 7th, July 7th is going to be 1 year since I started this channel. So, be sure to like, subscribe, and peace out. Look at this view. Peace out. Players.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down.